Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today in this video we will discuss acquisitions in Reliance Jio. So recently in Reliance Jio many acquisitions are happened. So we will discuss one by one. So first, the US gained Facebook has bought 9.99% stake in telecom unit of Reliance Industries Limited, Reliance Jio, for $5.7 billion or 43,574 crores. So recently Facebook has bought 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for $5.7 billion or 43,574 crores. So the headquarters of Facebook, it is located in California, US, and the present CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Remember, stake is 9.99% and the amount is 43,574 crores in Reliance Jio by Facebook. Next, US-based private equity Silver Lake Partners has bought 1.15% stake in Jio Platforms for $5,655.75 crores or $750 million. So Silver Lake has buy the 1.15% stake in Jio for 5,655.75 crores. It has also buy the 0.93 additional stake for 4,546.80 crores. First, it bought 1.15% stake for 5,655.75 crore, and again it additionally bought 0.93% stake for 4,546.80 crores. The headquarters of Silver Lake, it is located in California, US, and the CEO and MD is Egan Durban. Next, the US-based private equity Vista Equity Partners has buy 2.32% stake in Reliance Jio for 11,367 crores. So Vista Equity has bought 2.32% stake in Reliance Jio for 11,367 crores. The headquarters of Vista Equity, it is located in Texas, US, and the present CEO is Robert F. Smith. Next, Reliance Industries Limited announced the sale of 1.34% stake in Jio to General Atlantic for 6,598.38 crores. So recently, General Atlantic has buy 1.34% stake in Reliance Jio for 6,598.38 crores. The headquarters of General Atlantic, it is located in New York, US, and the CEO is William E. Ford. Next, Reliance Industries Limited has announced the sale of 2.32% stake in US private equity gained KKR for 11,367 crores. So recently KKR company has bought 2.32% stake in Reliance Jio for 11,367 crores. The headquarters of KKR, it is located in New York, US, and the present CEO is George Roberts. Next, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority has buy 1.16% stake in Jio for 5,683.50 crores. So recently Abu Dhabi Investment Authority company has buy 1.16% stake in Jio Platforms for the worth of 5,683.50 crores. The headquarters of Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, it is located in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and the CEO of company is Hamid bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Next, Reliance Industries Limited has announced the sale of 1.85% stake in Jio for Mubadala Investment Company with the worth of 9,093.60 crores. So recently, Mubadala Investment Company has bought 1.85% stake in Jio with the worth of 9,093.60 crores. The headquarters of Mubadala Investment Committee, it is located in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and the present CEO is Khaldun Khalifa Al Mubarak. Next question. Reliance Industries Limited has announced the sale of 0.93% stake in Jio for 4,546.80 crores for TPG Capital. So recently, TPG Capital company has buy 0.93% stake in Jio for 4,546.80 crores. The headquarters of TPG Capital located in California, US, and the CEO is James Coulter and John Winkle Reed. Next, Reliance Industries has announced the sale of 0.39% stake in Jio with the worth of 1894.50 crore for L Catterton. So recently L Catterton company has bought 0.39% stake in Jio with the worth of 1894.50 crores. The headquarters of L Catterton located in Greenwich, US, and the present CEO is J. Michael Chu and Scott A. Dahanke. Next, Reliance Industries Limited announced the sale of 2.32% stake in digital unit of Jio Platforms with the worth of 11,367 crores for the Public Investment Fund. So recently Public Investment Fund has acquired 2.32% stake in Jio with the worth of 11,367 crores. The headquarters of Public Investment Fund is located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Next. So guys, total Reliance Industries announced 1,15,693.95 crores. These all companies are invested this amount. So once revise, Facebook has bought 9.9% stake for 43,573.62 crores and Silver Lake has bought 1.15% stake for 5,655.75 crores. And Vista Equity has bought 2.32% for 11,367 crores. And General Atlantic has bought 1.34% stake in 6,598.38 crores. And KKR company has bought 2.32% for 11,367 crores. Guys, Vista and KKR both companies has bought same percentage of stake for same amount. And Mubadala company has bought 1.85% stake for 9,093.60 crores and Silver Lake has bought 0.93% stake for 4,546.80 crores and Abu Dhabi Investment Authority has bought 1.16% stake for 5,683.50 crores and TPG company has bought 0.93% stake for 4,546.80 crores and L Catterton has bought 0.39% stake for 1,894.50 crores and the last Public Investment Fund has bought 2.32% stake for 11,367 crores. So PIF and KKR and Vista company, these three companies has bought same stake for same amount. So total 24.70% stake was sold by Jio for the worth of 1,15,693.95 crores. So guys, these are the recently acquirements in Jio. So in this topic, at least we expect one question. So please share this video to your friends. If you want PDF or quiz based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. So thank you for watching the video.